Okay, this will be a little out of the norm for me. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but I got a new toy today, and I don't recall ever seeing an unboxing video for one of these, so we're going to go ahead and do it. So we'll flip open this lid, and there it is. I believe this is probably some decals and yep. So this is a Zoomlion RC excavator, which is a Chinese brand. So we've got, looks like some extra track pads, some cylinder seals, some other hydraulic fittings, some track pins, some extra hydraulic tubing, and of course the decals. And no instruction sheet, which is normal for Chinese stuff. And here is the Fly Sky ST8. This is the very basic radio that comes with most of these RC excavators. Usually they just pack it with the excavator and don't even have the box with it. That's kind of nice to have a box, actually. Alright, so I guess I gotta carefully cut this plastic away. This machine weighs about 103 pounds, so it's a bit more than a toy. It's a pretty good size for what it is. Yeah, she's a beaut. Now this is actually a model of a Zoomlion ZE960G, which is basically a surface mining excavator. This model actually has two hydraulic pumps. One hydraulic pump runs the boom, the other hydraulic pump runs the bucket and the dipper stick. So there's nothing lacking in the flow of oil, and everything is tunable on it. You can fine tune it, pressure and things like that. Hopefully I can lift this out of here. Cut that. Yeah, it's got another. Got it. Hopefully I can lift this out of here without blowing my back out. Ooh. Man, that thing is heavy. So here we'll get a good look at it. That thing is big. Well, all I got to do is put some hydraulic oil in it, and I've got some batteries already charged up, and we'll see what it does. Alright, I got the oil in it and blew out my back, picking it up and setting it on top of the crate. Move my oil bottle here. And let's see what it does. Got my transmitter on. I got the battery hooked up in there. My battery's too big, so I can't put the counterweight on until I figure something out. Sound system works. Right now it's set up for ISO controls, and I run backhoe controls, so I'm going to have to change that. But got some power. See if the lights work. There we go. lights. Well, this purchase was a success. The first time I bought this excavator, it was shipped by FedEx, and when it arrived, it was not in the crate. Somewhere along the line, FedEx must have destroyed the crate, and the excavator was just wrapped in like plastic cling wrap, and it was all beat up, and I refused delivery on it. And so then this time around, they sent it through Estes Trucking, and as you can see, it arrived in fine shape. So I am very, very happy with this. This is one heck of a machine for what I paid for it. So hopefully there will be some digging videos in the future. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.